Good morning, good morning. We are here in Riviera Spa and Resort for adults only, and this is how the morning here. And this is our room number 426. It's very nice. It's very nice. Look at the sunrise in the morning. And this is Shirley, Mrs. Shirley Giblin. Here we are. This is our morning. Just woke up. We just woke up. That's why we're not arranging our bed. Just woke up, and this is our very early morning here. I'm just vlogging the hotel. And this is the beauty morning. Nothing in my face, no filters. So, and this is the beauty of another room. Remember that 426. It's very nice with extra room. With extra room. Very reasonable price. With extra room. Very nice. There you go. So, my dear Shirley friend, she's here. While me, I'm using the spare. Well, we have privacy. We have privacy because she could close this room. Look at that. She could close her room. While me, I'm staying here. It's so nice. Look at the face. No comb yet. I'm going to wash. I'm going to have a shower. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. We need the news for this morning. News for today. What's the news for today? Good morning. Good morning. Halika, my friend. That's my friend Shirley. Okay. Nice room. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Look at our bathroom here. Very nice, very clean. Good morning, Malta. Good morning, Malta. Good morning, Malta. Alin? No idea. That's us.
So we're the same height.
Alin, you're
Same
taller.
Just a bit.
You're taller. We're the same, not exactly the same age. He's 66, I'm 67.
Just 6 months older. You.
Just 6 months older. Hello, Mrs. Giblin. Where is the Mr. Tony Giblin? Sooner, sooner. See you again. Bye. Thank you for watching.